Hugel Gardener. I just went ahead and received a shipment today of a new banana corm. I'm going to do the unboxing right now, and we're going to go ahead and plant it. I'm going to pot it. So I just got hit by the hurricanes, and one of my friends online that's a member to my gardening group, she wanted to go ahead and contribute to the damage that I had, and I said, well, I really don't want you to send anything financial, but you have some Lady FInger banana plants that you say are the best tasting banana you ever had. So I said, how about sending me a corm? Well, Michelle, thank you for my corm. I just received it this morning. Inside of the box, look at this, a nice pretty card. And it says, Sam, thanks for all the gardening help over the last year. Enjoy your new Lady Fingers bananas, Michelle and David. Well, Michelle and David, thank you very much. So with that said, let's get on with the video. She packed it so good. Look at this. Okay, so hopefully I won't make too much of a mess. Okay, so what's a little cardboard anyway? So she went ahead and cut me a very nice corm. She went ahead and wrapped it up really nicely. And if you look, since she went ahead and I gave her instructions on how to separate the corm from the parent plant and pack it, we were back and forth on email. And since she cut it, look at this, there's new growth already. Can you see that? Thank you. Okay, so it has a really nice, really good, nice root system like this. I'm gonna cut these and trim them just a little bit. I could cut all of them off, but Michelle went ahead and put fungicide on this before she shipped it, so I should not have to put any fungicide on it right now. So with that said, let me get my clippers. Okay, so I went ahead and got my clippers. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and trim these up a little bit. All nice new fresh roots. I just want to cut some of it off. I don't need all of them. At least not this long. All I'm gonna do is pot them. You could probably see what I'm doing really good in the video. Okay, all I'm doing is making sure the tips of the roots are clipped. Okay, let me look it over. Okay, so what that's gonna do, you can see I cut the roots all nice. Every place I cut it, when I pot it, they're gonna start shooting out from there. They're gonna continue to grow. So I have a pot of potted soil, and I'm gonna go ahead and plant this. That looks about right. I'm just gonna go ahead and I just went ahead and wet the soil. So I'm gonna put a little hole in the middle, all the way around. I'll just bring it up the center, just so I could get this corm down in there the best I could, like that. I'm gonna fill in around it. Okay, so you can see this corm is now planted. Trim this up a little. Let me peel that off. Okay, so you can see this corm is now planted. I'm going to put a little bit more topsoil right about up to there, and then I'm going to hose it down a little bit more. So let's go over there, add some topsoil, and water it down a little bit. Okay, so I went ahead and put some more potting soil in there, and I'm watering it down right now really good. Make sure it's really saturated so those roots could suck up the water. Remember, banana plants are made up of like 90% or more water. And that's one thing. A lot of people grow bananas and they wonder why the banana plant's brown, the leaves are dying, they're yellowing, they're not growing real good, and they're not producing fruit or quality fruit. Not enough water or fertilizer. So water good and fertilize good. Like this needs water every single day. You don't want to leave it in a puddle, but you want it constantly to have water. Okay, so you can see it's moving. Right over here, I'll wiggle this around. All the soil is going to wash under it when that water goes down, and there's going to be no air pockets under the root. And hopefully this is going to be a nice healthy plant that shoots out new growth and turns into a nice happy Lady FInger banana plant. So once again, I always wanted to have a nice lady around, and now I have a nice Lady FInger banana plant. Their bananas are supposed to be nice and sweet, and according to Michelle, the best she ever had. So with that said, thanks again, Michelle. I appreciate it. Hey, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I hope you enjoyed seeing me unpack and plant my new corm to form a nice new banana plant. Give me a like. Give me a share. Come on over to my Facebook page. Come on over to my Facebook group. Until then, we'll see you soon.